So we moved in about 4 years ago. We had this beautiful deck. It was gray and weathered, nothing had been done to it. Kids kept getting splinters. So about 2 years ago, my parents helped me power wash it, and then we put down some timber oil. So you can see what's happened. It's gotten gray again and splintery, so we're wondering what to do about it.
Well, this is a mahogany deck. It needs a good penetrating oil, but the most importantly, it needs to be prepped perfect before you apply any finish on it.
Okay, so can we just power wash it and put the penetrating oil down?
At this point, the answer is no. We're gonna have to strip this down, get rid of the oil, and then we're gonna put a penetrated oil on it, all right?
Okay.
We started by cleaning any debris from the deck, and then we can sand the edges. Well, Amanda, just like painting, when we sand it, we start at the edges, and then when it's time to get the fields done, I stop by a home center and I rent this big machine. And here, as you can see, we have a pad that vibrates back and forth. For this job, we're gonna use the 40 grit paper that will get us a lot of work done faster. At the front, we're gonna put this big guy here. It's a weight that keeps the pressure down so we can get all the fields done.
Heavy.
It's kind of heavy, yes. Try to go straight. Straight. For the second pass, we're going to use 60 grit, and for the final pass, we're going to use 80 grit. Well, this is the penetrating oil that we're going to use it. There's no tinting in it.
All right, smells pretty strong.
Well, it smells a little bit, but it's also the best stuff for this deck that we can use. We're going to start with the edges. We're going to cut in, and then we'll do the fields with a bigger roller.
How thick should I put it on?
You can put it pretty thick, but spread really well. Just put a generous coat, but spread it really good. Well, Amanda, here's what we're going to use to do the fields. It's lamb's wood. It's the same stuff that the floor guys use to applicate the stain and polyurethane. Okay. So, and I'll show you how to do it. Just be generous, okay?
Okay.
Get a nice thick coat.
Yep.
We're just gonna go like this. Get long strokes, and we go back and forth, all right?
Doesn't matter what direction we go?
Not really. For the first coat and the second coat, the important thing is get a good coverage on this deck and floor. Remember, keep the pad wet all the times because we do not want to miss any spots. So if you see that it's not releasing any oil, just dip it back in a bucket and keep all the wedges wet, right? Just go along the deck with the nice and long strokes like this. If you're doing a really good job, you're gonna enjoy this deck. Guaranteed. Well, Amanda, our first coat is completely done. So we should wait about 24 hours, and then you can reapply the second coat on. Next year, what I want you to do, I want you to get your gardening hose, clean up this deck, and just reapply the oil, all right? And then skip 2 years, and then you do the same process. Clean up your deck, and then put another coat on.
No sanding?
No sanding. All you gotta do now is maintain this beautiful deck.
It's already beautiful. Thank you so much.
Well, you happy?
I'm happy.
If you're happy, I'm happy.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.